How to fix Leagues of Legends failed to launch after update? First step, open up Task Manager, search for Riot Client and Leagues of Legends. If it's running in background means end the task completely. Close it. Next step, restart Riot Client services. Search for run and type the following text, services.msc. Click OK. Scroll down and search for VGC services. Click it. Right click. Click properties. The startup type should be in automatic and the service status should be in running mode. Check it. Click apply and OK. And one more time right click and restart it. Close it. Next step, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Select allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Select change settings. Scroll down and search for Riot Client and Leagues of Legends. Both should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application not having means click allow another app, click browse, go to C drive, Riot Games. If you want Leagues of Legends, go to that folder and enable it. If you want Riot Client, click it and add it. I already have, so I skip it. You need to add and check it should enable in both private and public. Click OK and move on with next step. Run Riot Client as administrator. Right click, click properties, click compatibility, enable run the program as administrator, click apply and OK. Once complete after, move on with next step. Search for run and type the following text, percentage local app data percentage, click OK. Search for Riot Client folder, click it. Delete the Riot Games folder cache if present, delete only caches. Once complete after, close it and move on with next step. Click settings, click system settings, click display settings, scroll down, click graphics settings, click advanced graphics settings, hardware acceleration GPU schedule. If it's turned off means you need to turn on it, turn on and restart your device. After restart you can check if the problem still remains, then you need to revert back it. Thank you.